Hey there, my name is Tommy. I'm the owner and founder of Strategic Life Studios. And today I am excited to announce to you one of our newest video production services that we are offering. We as a team, all of us here at Strategic Life Studios, are always thinking about ways to better our service offerings and to better the types of productions that we offer. And one of the things that we were talking about and we decided to go ahead and launch is our newest offering, that is highlight videos. You might be sitting there thinking, well, is that highlights of a sports game, or, you know, I don't really play sports. No, it's not. I mean, it could be. But what we are offering is video production services for life's biggest moments. Whether you want to go skydiving and you end up going and you have a GoPro that you have going on your way down. Or maybe you're going on a skiing or snowboarding trip, or maybe a surfing trip, or to the mountains, or a beach vacation. Or maybe you're going to go hike a 14er. We're in Colorado, and hiking 14ers is a big thing here. Maybe you want to remember that. We also offer for vacations of all type, whether it be a family reunion, wherever you might find yourself. We offer this for vacations. We offer it for birthday parties, anniversaries, engagement parties, or just random adventures. Really, what this service is geared toward is any moment you find yourself in where you'd like to hit the pause button. You'd like to just stay in that moment and freeze time. Well, can't really help you freeze time, but what we can do is allow you to take pictures, allow you to shoot video, send it to us, and we will put it together, we will edit it, we will storyboard it for you into something that you can hold on to, share with friends and family, or and watch anytime you want. So you can relive those moments where you find yourself wishing you could hit the pause button on life and stay there. And so the way this works is simple. It's very affordable. We have multiple different package options. If you click below, you'll be able to see those. But on your next trip, just take pictures, shoot video, and then send it to us. And what we will do is we'll allow you to pick the songs you want in the video. We will allow you to decide kind of the direction you want it to go. We will edit it for you, and we will send it to you. And you will have it to watch anytime you want, as often as you want. And so click below, learn more about how this works and the different packages that we have, and let us know what it is that you want us to create a highlight video for you for, whether it be a vacation or any of the things that we mentioned. We look forward to hearing from you, hearing about your awesome adventure or story or party, and putting together a highlight video so you can relive life's most precious moments. Thanks, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.